Before we start, I will want you to hit that red subscribe button to support our channel. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to The Impeccable Investor. Everyone must dream of becoming rich and successful someday, but very few are actually able to achieve those dreams. In order to get a hint from the success stories from the best investors out there, here's a list of 10 advice given by the richest investors out there, arranged according to their net worth. But before that, how about you smash the like button because it really motivates us to make these videos for you. Thanks. Number 1. Bill Gates focus on development. With having a net worth of $77 billion, Bill Gates has definitely earned his name on this list. Bill Gates isn't merely known for his money, but he is actually considered one of the most prolific thinkers and innovators of the current century. His advice to all of those out there wishing to get rich is to focus on development. During an interview back in 2014, Bill Gates told the Rolling Stone magazine simply how important focusing on development was in order to get rich and staying rich. Number 2. Warren Buffett think long term. Considered to be someone who revolutionized the stock markets and the way investors could profit through it, Warren Buffett, with a net worth of $66 billion, definitely has something very vital to say. Warren Buffett recommends thinking long-term and looking ahead of stuff that is probable to happen in the upcoming future. Explaining the long-term, Warren Buffett said, "Successful investing takes time, discipline, and patience. No matter how great the talent or effort, some things just take time. You can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant." Number 3. Carlos Salim Helu. Learn from failure. Coming third in this list is Carlos Salim Helu, a billionaire from the Pan-American continent who earned his success from amassing fortunes from the hundreds of companies he has his holdings in. He suggests that the best way to succeed is to learn from your own failure, which is surely one of the best pieces of advice out there. Number 4. Jeff Bezos. Be a missionary to stay motivated. With bringing in the revolutionary idea of Amazon, its founder and CEO has probably one of the most important advice to give, particularly to the youth out there. With over $52 billion in net worth, Jeff Bezos has made a name for himself which is worthy to be listened to. Way back in 2010, Jeff Bezos gave an interview to the Fortune magazine. He stated that he sees businesses as missions. He further elaborates by saying that since missionaries make better products, one should keep his mission in mind in order to stay motivated, which in itself is of vital importance. Number 5. Mark Zuckerberg. Think like a hacker. Probably due to his experience within the technological world, Mark Zuckerberg advises all those who wish to get rich and stay rich for their foreseeable future to think like a hacker. He was only 19 years old while during his studies at Harvard, where he successfully created Facebook with a group of friends. And from there, his sophomore year changes his entire life. In 2012, while addressing potential investors on Facebook, he advised all the investors to think in a method he called the hacker way. Number 6. Larry Ellison. Be aggressive with acquisitions. Before building his own database software company, Oracle, back in 1977, Larry Ellison used to work for the CIA on their digital databases. His invention definitely changed things for him, and with his net worth of almost $49 billion. The advice he gives is definitely important. He recommends having acquisitions for your company to successfully grow. Number 7. Michael Bloomberg. Never stop learning. Recently being all over the news due to his presidential campaign for the 2020 elections, Michael Bloomberg has a lot of experience, and we must listen to him just because of that. Of course, his net worth is $43 billion, shows how successful he has been with his endeavors too. He started his path to success at Salomon Brothers and has been moving up the ladder ever since. He advises everyone wishing to climb the ladder just like he did to keep on learning. According to him, a continuous learning process would only make a person successful and make him lots of money if he aspires for that. Number 8. Charles Koch. Follow a proven management style. After inheriting his father's Koch Industries, Charles Koch, along with his brother, successfully turned the family business into one of the largest companies in the US. He attributes his success to a critically acclaimed market style known as market-based management. Koch even published a book further explaining his management style, which is considered by many a must-read for all those wishing to make profits. Number 9. Bernard Arnault. stay ahead of the competition. With a net worth of over $34 billion, Bernard Arnault looks over the luxury powerhouse that goes by the name of LMVH. According to Bernard Arnault, his success has been primarily due to the fact that he does his best to stay ahead of the competition in the market. Looking into how he grew his business, we get exactly what Bernard Arnault meant when he asked to stay ahead of the competition. Most of his riches are attributed to his acquisition of Christian Dior, on which he spent a whopping amount of $50 million, which now enables him to maintain the controlling interest in LMVH. Number 10. Larry Page. Focus on consumer technology. With more than $37 billion in net worth, this billionaire points towards his success in the technological business and recommends focusing on consumer technology. Since he is one of the two initial founders of Google, he told the Financial Times that he would recommend all of the people trying to achieve success to focus on consumer technology, and without a doubt, that is definitely where we all are heading towards in the future. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the two videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.